Juggling between the balance of work and home is now actually a norm in life. So how do you come out looking like a star? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating a beautiful and gorgeous Peruvian lamb stir fry, making you truly look like a star. Creating this simple yet flavorful Peruvian meal is following principles of the Oriental Belt. So into a cast iron, nice and hot, you put nearly 20 to 30 mils of cold pressed sunflower oil. Allow it to get nice and hot, and nearly 500 grams of shredded lamb go in to brown and get nice and crispy. Stir fry this till it caramelizes on all sides. As this is searing in the pot, I'm going to give it a fine sprinkle of some Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt, just to intensify the flavor and the depth of the overall lamb creation. So while you saute this, you're going to deglaze it with about 10 mils of dark soy sauce or tamari soy sauce. Just put that in and allow the entire thing to cook up really well together. 5 minutes of stir frying this. I'm just going to lift it off the pan and set it on the side. Deglaze the pan with about 10 to 15 mils of cold pressed sunflower oil. Into that you take nearly 8 to 9 cloves of garlic finely chopped up. Allow it to saute and scent along with 1.5 inch bulb of ginger. A quick stir, allowing it to deglaze along with that tamari soy sauce that has given it that perfect color and hue. So into this now goes in nearly 6 fresh red chillies slit into half. You want that to scent, give out its heat and speck this creation through and through. At this stage you can allow the ginger and the garlic to brown up or just subtly caramelize along with 2 red onions just roughly sliced up. It's essential to let all your vegetables have that glorious crunch in them. So in goes 1 red bell pepper sliced up along with 1 yellow pepper. That's just making this so pretty to look at and a nutritionally dense meal. While the bell peppers have wilted but also got that little bit of crunch in them, 2 tomatoes deseeded and juliennated go in, and we're just going to allow it to toss up, giving it that tart sweetness through and through. Stir frying this, and in goes the lamb back again, and we're just going to mix everything up really well. Stir fry this on the highest possible heat for another 4 to 5 minutes till all the flavors get absorbed into each other, but yet holding their distinctive flavors. It's all about adjusting the flavors and the seasoning, so a splash of tamari soy sauce going in, nearly 20 mils, just to darken the entire mix up, along with about half a teaspoon of cane sugar, just to caramelize everything really well together. A quick stir. Adjust the seasoning with a fine sprinkle of some Szechuan peppercorn sea salt. A stir, and it's time to just take a handful of spring greens and topple it right in. Just allow everything to come together. This beautiful and gorgeous lamb stir fry, or rather the beautiful Peruvian stir fry, just requires a fine sprinkling of some cilantro or parsley, anything that's available, and you're ready to enjoy this indulgent creation. Just garnish this with a little more of cilantro on top, and this gorgeous, beautiful lamb stir fry, or rather the Peruvian lamb stir fry, is ready. You can pair this either with some steamed rice or just go right ahead and enjoy it by itself with some mashed potato or flatbread. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. 30 minutes in and out, dinner done in a jiffy, family happy and indulgent, and more importantly, you don't have to juggle between work and a good meal. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.